Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of More With E Mondays here on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. Now before we get into anything, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at More With E. Follow so you can always be updated. So I have another juice recipe. I know I've been doing juices a lot, but I love my Nama juicer and I'm very excited about this one. So let's get to it. Today we're going to be making double citrus carrot juice. Now this juice has so many great benefits that you must try. The carrots promote healthy skin, vision, and immune system. It also reduces the risk of developing breast cancer and protects against infections. So let's get right to it. Now for this juice you'll need 8 carrots, 8 celery stalks, 4 oranges, 4 lemons. Now this should make about 40 ounces of juice. Now I think it's easier to chop up your ingredients when feeding your Nama juicer. I just love how smoothly the Nama juicer works. It truly yields more juice than any other juicer. You can just look how vibrant the color of the juice is and also how all the ingredients combine so well together. Now, I didn't mention in my previous juice videos, but it's very important to strain your juice after it's done so that you can get rid of all the excess pulp, which creates a smoother taste. Now, after the juice is strained, as I mentioned before, make sure you are using an airtight sealed jar to preserve the juice, which prevents it from oxidation as well. See? Didn't that look delicious? And it's also healthy. I just love juicing. The Nama juicer is great. So for more of those recipes, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More With E, so you can catch me here next week on More With E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. I'm out.